In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly into your Webflow site in just 5 minutes. This process will streamline your scheduling and make it easier for visitors to book an appointment with you directly from your website. So, let's dive in and get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to calendly.com, open up your preferred browser and type in the web address, or click on the link in the description below if you're watching this online. Once you land on the homepage, you'll want to locate the login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the web page. Click on that and it will take you to the login screen. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you type it in correctly and then hit the continue button. The next step is to enter your password. Once you've done that, click continue again. This will take you to the Calendly homepage where we're going to be doing a bit of work to generate the embed code that you will later use in Webflow. On the Calendly homepage, look for a gear icon which represents the settings menu. Click on it and from the available options, select Add to Website. This will open a few different ways to integrate Calendly with your site. For our purposes today, you will want to select the inline embed option. After you click on that, go ahead and click continue. At this point, Calendly will present you with a code that you'll need to embed in your Webflow site. Look for the copy code button, click it, and the embed code will be copied to your clipboard. Now let's switch gears and move over to your Webflow project. Once you're on your Webflow site, navigate to the page where you want to add your Calendly scheduling link. You'll need to open the Webflow designer. On the left hand side of the screen, you'll see a plus icon that says add. Click that and it will allow you to add new elements to your page. Now in the search bar or selection menu, look for the code embed element. This is a crucial step because it's how Calendly will be embedded into your site. Drag and drop this element where you want the scheduling tool to appear on your page. After placing the element, a little box will pop up where you need to paste the code you copied from Calendly. Simply paste it in, save your changes and then publish your site. And that's it, you've successfully embedded Calendly into your Webflow site. Now visitors can easily schedule appointments without having to leave your page. This is a great way to enhance user experience and boost your interaction with clients or customers. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.